So hey, what's up guys? I'm here with Subway Surfers and I have our daily gift. This is my second video of the day. I'm going to get bread. What mission I should complete? On 12 characters. Sorry for that guys. Now I'm going to be this guy. I lost my head start, but I will beat this game, guys. A snoopers, sneakers. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I'm too fast. Oh, guys. Now, guys. Play. Guys, I'm too late. But I've got the maple leaf. Yay. I will collect my reward. A fourth set of the taskbar. I'll get that hoverboard. I'll get Super Mystery Box if I completed this wood hunt. Guys, I'm playing Subway Surfers. It has too much trains, metros. Trees is our wood task, and Super Wood task is our Jake. Which character I've taken? Now, guys. Guys. I'm going to beat this. I've got coin meter reward. Guys, I cannot go. Guys, you ignore this. Guys, I have one more E and S only to complete my word hunt of normal. Oh, guys, only 20,000, 22,000. Guys, sorry for that, guys. Guys, I'm here again. I got some rewards. And guys, what it is. Guys, 30k also. I will got some rewards today, guys. Phew. I should be steady. Lynn, champion. Go. Guys, it was amazing. I'm here with my new hoverboard. What I'm doing, guys? Oh, my super sneaker. Trees, I completed my word hunt. 4. Oh, guys. Go. There are many points to beat this. Go. I'm too slow, guys. This is not called a run. I cannot do this, guys. 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 Now. I'll collect all the coins. Guys, I'm loved this game. Guys. It was a glitch, guys. I'm on 3rd. I need just 5 more maple leaves to collect maple hoverboard, guys. First reward of the events. Guys. I should run. Guys. Oh, guys. Spike. $500 coins. 10 keys. I should collect some maple leaves to unlock this hoverboard, guys. Guys. It is lovely music. The crafting and building video will be tomorrow, guys. Okay? Guys, most OP jump in the world. Guys. Oh, guys. So, guys, I will meet you in the next video. So, bye. Bye-bye.